Hello, welcome to my channel, The Droney Dad. I've decided to start this channel as I found myself unemployed during the Corona lockdown of 2020. Thought I'd do something a little bit more creative with all the spare time that I've got. Also decided to sell my DJI Spark because I wanted to upgrade a little bit. So I've moved to the Mavic Air 2, which I shall do an unboxing video today so you can see what's in the Fly More combo pack. And tomorrow, after the batteries are charged, I'll get out there, do some completely unedited footage, upload that tomorrow, and then start playing with some of the features and the different modes that we'll do. So if you want to see anything in particular, just let me know. I'll have a play. Okay, here it is. Let's get it unboxed. As you might have guessed, this is my first unboxing video. Let's see what we got. Very blunt scalpel. Okay, right. So a smart feature on this drone is everything in the Fly More pack does actually fit in the bag, including the charger. No idea what's in here. Let's have a look. The actual propellers. Manual. We don't need that. Check that away. Right. So it's the first time I've opened it. As you can see. Close that one up. Okay. There it is. Yeah, it's a lot bigger than the Spark, but I know a lot smaller than the Mavic 2 Pro. Cool. Right, get everything else up. Extra batteries. Charger. So I guess this is what you pay the extra money for, is getting 2 extra batteries. This is really helpful, giving you over an hour and a half flight time. So, charger. So you can charge all the batteries at once. That is part of the Fly More combo. The new controller that everyone's been talking about. Let's have a quick look. As you can see, much better than the older one. The phone now goes in the top, which I really like. I much prefer that. Also hardwire, where that's a lot different to the Spark. And the sticks are on the bottom there. What else have we got in here? Some packaging. Don't need any of that. Nothing in there. Right, last bit. Extra cables, so if you've got a different phone that you need to connect to the controller, you can swap them out, depending on if you're on Apple or Android. What have we got in here? Right, so these are the ND filters. I've never used these myself, but I am looking forward to giving it a try. Apparently they do make a big difference, so it's nice that DJI have included this in the Fly More combo. No idea what's in here. Yeah, spare thumbsticks. Excellent, I'll leave the bag with those. I guess that's the charger cable for the controller, and then this is quite cool. If you connect this onto the battery, it then turns the battery into a power bank, so you can plug USBs. Can you see that? Plug USBs into it, charge your phone or possibly the controller from a battery that you've already got charged up. That's quite handy if you get stuck anywhere. So, slightly more in-depth view. Which is, yeah, really nice looking drone. Feels solid. I've never even folded a Mavic 2 out, so I don't really know what I'm doing. So, and I like the fact that they supply this guard with it. I ended up buying one for my Spark because I did always use the soft case that it came with. I never upgraded to a harder case, so it's nice to know your gimbal's protected. Just clips off. Yep, try and get it in the middle for you. There it is. Nice. So I like that. Slightly closer look at the controller. Yeah, it does fit modern, larger phones. I have read that it doesn't fit the iPad mini if people are using that, so you will have to get another attachment for it. Let's get those screwed on. There it is. Yep, feels nice. Can't wait to get out and give it a fly. So again, if there's anything you want to see me do with it in particular, or you know, anywhere you think would be cool for me to shoot, then let me know, and I'll try and get there. Obviously, it's a bit difficult in lockdown, but I'm going to see what I can do. Take it out as my unlimited exercise during the day, I suppose. Right, I'm going to get the batteries on charge. Okay, the batteries are charged and I'm ready to go out and take it for its first flight. If you want to see those videos, I'll try and get them uploaded tonight as well. So subscribe to the channel and hopefully like this video, and I'll keep you updated with how I get on with the Mavic Air 2.